A cluster of COVID-19 cases has now been traced back to a single church in Fairborn. Greene County Public Health confirming that members of the Gates of Praise Church tested positive, and that led to some secondary cases as well. 2 News reporter Deborah Bogart live to continue our team coverage at 5.
We've reached out to Gates of Praise Church for comments, but have yet to hear back. Public Health say they're not deterring anyone from practicing their faith, but say staying socially distanced at your church will help stop the spread. And that's how another church in Fairborn says they're keeping their congregation safe. A cluster of COVID-19 cases have been traced back to Gates of Praise Church in Fairborn.
All the cases that we know of have been isolated or quarantined, and we're following up on contacts right now as well.
Dr. Don Brannon with Greene County Public Health says right now there are over 60 cases in Fairborn. He says a group sitting in a small space is the best way to spread the virus. So they want to make sure churches that meet in person have adequate spacing and the proper settings. Brannon recommends limiting singing and using a sign-in sheet for the congregation.
If you do have a case that's reported, if they become symptomatic 1 to 2 days after congregate setting, make sure you notify the attendees and public health, and we can help contact trace.
Steve Sisko is the senior minister at the First Church of Christ in Fairborn. His congregation is meeting in person again, but he says they're taking every precaution, like requiring face masks.
We do not have the cafe going. We do not have Sunday school for children or adults. We have separated our, we call it individually padded pews. But we have separated the seating to where it's about 2 seats and then 6 feet, 2 more seats.
Cisco estimates about 30% of the congregation is coming in person, with the rest still joining online. He says they ask the congregation promptly leave when the sermon is over so people don't fellowship and hug. He says it's taken some getting used to, but the majority of the congregation is understanding.
It's hard for a church that is a family, which this church is. It's a family, and it's been hard on them.
Brandon says they want people to practice their faith, but if churches don't follow the procedures and there is an outbreak, the health commissioner does have the authority to shut them down. He says that will be an absolute last resort. He says what will likely happen is they'll be in talks with the minister and the church will close for 14 days as long as no additional cases pop up. Reporting in Fairborn, Deborah Bogart, 5 on 2.